Thank you for your purchase on Toysphere Transformer Deluxe Magic Car. This car comes with classy design and stylish steering wheel and music in the steering wheel. You can assemble this car by using these parts. You would be needing a screwdriver, a piler and a T-shaped screwdriver for assembling. Step 1. Take the main body and place the backrest. Step 2. Place the rear wheels on both sides with a folder. In the next step, insert fork complete to the main body. In the next step, insert provided battery to the body to activate lights on the main body. It's time to place 2 AA batteries to the steering wheel to activate music. Once the steering wheel is ready, place it on the fork and fix it with provided nut. Your Toysphere Transformer magical car is now ready to use. Toysphere. World of Toys.